Hey, hello everyone. Hope you are good and enjoying the coding. In this session, we will learn about the next data type, that is set. Till date, we have completed numeric data type. Inside numeric, we have seen integer, float, and complex. After that, we have seen sequence data type. Inside sequence, we have a string, list, and tuple. There are lots of methods which are related to string, list, and tuple, but we'll see those methods in detail in future session. Today we will focus on the set data type. Okay, so let's understand what is a set. Set is an unordered collection of unique mutable elements. So I'm just giving some idea about the list and tuple. List is collection of ordered elements. Same about the tuple. Ordered means the way which store the elements or the sequence which follow elements for storage. By using same sequence we can access the element. If I store one element at position 0, then by using a same sequence or by using index I can access that element. This is about the list and tuple. But this is not applicable to set because set is an unordered collection. It means if I have stored 1, 2, 4, 5, then there is no guarantee in set that element will be stored in same sequence. Then next is unique mutable elements. In list we can store a duplicate elements. Same about the tuple, but in set we cannot store duplicate elements. If we add any duplicate elements into a set, then automatically duplicate elements will be removed. It's mutable. It means like a list we can add, update, delete operation on a set. Set can contain various data types such as integer, float, string and tuples. Like a list, tuples and set, we can store homogeneous as well as heterogeneous element into set also. In list we have seen we can store integer, float, string, tuple, all type of elements. Same about the set. Okay, let's declare one of the set and see how we can store a different elements. Okay, so if we have to declare any set, then what we will do, we will declare initially we will declare one variables and we'll use a braces. If we have to declare any list, we have used a rectangular bracket. If we have to declare a tuple, then we have used round bracket. Now we have to declare a set. What we will do, we will use a brace. Okay, so we are using a brace, that's why it is not maintaining the order. Okay, this is a basic reason for set is unordered. Okay, so yeah, here I have declared one set and this is an empty set. Okay, if we have to add elements, then with the help of comma we can add elements. So I am skipping 4 here, adding directly 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 4. So here I have changed the sequence. Instead of 1 2 3 4 5, I have used 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 5 and 4 added at a last, because we have to see so how unordered work. Okay, so now I am printing this set. You can see here the sequence which I have stored, this is not maintained. That's why it is unordered collection of element. Okay, it has changed the sequence. This is a first way to declare set by using brace. Second way is, if we have to declare a list, what we did, we have used a list constructor. Same about the tuple. So for set we can also use a set constructor. Let me declare one more variable for set, equal to set of this. That's it. But in this set we need to provide a iterable object. Iterable object means we can provide a tuple, we can provide a list. So I am adding here one list and adding some elements. Which elements I am adding? I am adding 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, let's print this list also. Yeah, these are the two lists or two sets we have created. First set is created by using brace, second set is created by using set constructor. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. There is no difference between this and this. Okay, if we remove all the elements and print empty string, it will return set object. Okay, or if you print type of, then you will get a set. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Yeah, now set operations. There are a lots of functions that is supported to a set. In this session we will see those functions also. Okay, yeah, as you know, we cannot access this element by using a index because it's unordered. If we try to access, we will get error. Let's try this. Okay, set object is not subscriptable. It means we cannot access the set elements by using index. Okay, then how we will add the elements or how we will update the elements? Then we have to use functions. Let's understand those functions. Okay, so this is my set here I have printed. Now what I do, I will add one element into this list. Okay, my set dot add, which element I want to add? I want to add a 15. We don't need this return. Okay, so you can see here, initially we have declared set with 10 elements, then I have added one element. Okay, and the element is 15, and after printing this list, this element is added into the list, into the set. Okay, by using add method we can add a element. If you want to add two elements, 15 comma 16, this will not support, it will give an error. So instead of add, then what we will do, we will use update. In update we'll provide this list. Okay, let's print this. You can see it has added two elements, 15 and 16. Okay, if we want to remove any elements, okay, then use a remove function and provide the elements which you want to delete. It has removed 10. Okay, if you try to remove the element which is not present into the list, into the set, it will return error because it's key error. These are the key elements. Okay, all are keys. Remove element, key is not found. Okay, it will give a key error. Then instead of using remove, if you want to, don't show a message. If element is present, then remove, otherwise ignore the error. Then we can use a discard function. Discard function will remove the element if present. If element is not present, then it will not raise error. Okay, I hope add, update, remove, discard is clear to you. Okay, let me show the functions which is supported by set. If you want to print how many number of elements are present into the list, into the set, what we'll use? We'll use a len function. Len means length. It will say that there are 10 elements into the list, into the set. Same len function can be applicable on list as well as tuple. If you want to print the length of list, print the length of tuple, print the length of sets, we can use len function. Okay, then add, remove, discard is clear. Pop will pop the first element from the set. Okay, and then there are some operations which is supported by set. What operations is supported by set? Union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference. Union, it means if I have a two sets, my set having 1 to 10 elements and my set 1 having 7 to 13 elements, if I want to combine the list, if I want to combine these two sets into a single set, I will use a union. Okay, then my final result having all the unique elements. Okay, let's see. My set 1 dot union my set. Okay, and print this set. You can see 1 to 13 elements here. This is a union. For performing union operation, either we can use union function or there is one other way, by using operator. What operator I will use? I will use pipe operator. You can see. If we want to find matched elements between those two lists, then we will use an intersection. Okay, let's do intersection. Intersection means common elements which are present in both set. 8, 9, 10 and 7. 7, 8, 9, 10. These 4 elements are present in both set. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a intersection. If you want to perform intersection without function, then what we will do? For union we have used pipe operator. For intersection what we'll do? We will use AND operator. Use AND operator. Let's run this. This is the same output. 8, 9, 10, 7. Okay. If we want to find a difference between these two sets, what is the difference? Means my set 4 and this. If I want to get a difference from my set with my set 1, then these are the common elements which will be removed from this list and it will give 1 to 6 numbers. If you want to get a difference from my set 1 with my set, then it will remove this common element and show this is the difference. Okay, then if you want to get a difference, then we will use difference function. Okay, let's see that also. Difference. Yeah, this is the difference, and if I change this to 1, we'll get a difference 1 to 6. Okay, and if I want to identify the difference with set 1 with 2 and 2 with 1 and their union, then we will use a symmetric difference function. Okay, yeah, then if we have to check any element is present or not, for identifying a difference we can use an operator also. Which operator? Minus operator. Let's copy this here and use a minus operator for getting a difference. Let's see this difference. Okay, and for symmetric difference, instead of this we will use this operator, character. This is a symmetric difference. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. These are the additional element in set 1. 11, 13, 11, 12, 13. These are the additional element in second set. Common element will be removed. Okay, this is a symmetric difference. Okay, if we have to find any element is present into the set, then we can do that by using a in operator. Let's check 4 is present in this set or not. Print 4 in my set, 4 in my set. It will say that it's present. It's present. If I check 14 is present, it will say false, not present. In this way we can use a in operator. If you want to check not in, then we will use not in operator. Okay, I hope all these functions which written here, like set, len, add, remove, discard, union, intersection, difference, clear method is one of the method which clear the elements of set. My set dot clear, it will remove everything, none. This is a return, but let's do here print my set. You can see set, it's empty set. When we use a clear, it will clear all the elements from the set. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. If anybody has any doubt, then comment me. We'll see those details in future session. Thank you. See you in next session.